Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to write a C++ program to swap two numbers using third variable. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to write a C++ program to swap two numbers using the third variable. So in order to achieve this task, let me explain the program first, and then I will show you how to execute the program. So the program starts with the preprocessor hash, followed by include as a keyword, and IO stream, where IO stands for input and output stream. Using is a keyword and namespace is a logical naming schema for grouping related classes, where std stands for standard. And integer main is an entry point of a program where int stands for the return type and main is the name of the main method. Inside this method, we are going to write our code. And then I have declared three variables, namely a, b, and c of integer data type. A holds the value 10 and b hold the value 20. Now I'm going to print the a and b value as a and b value before swap. And then now I'm going to do swap. So by assigning the a value in c, and then by assigning b value to a, and then by assigning c value to b. Then I'm going to display the value of A and B after swap. Again, I'll explain the program. The program starts with the preprocessor hash followed by include as a keyword, where IO stands for input and output stream. Using is a keyword, namespace is a logical naming schema for grouping related classes, where std stands for standard. And integer main is a main method where int stands for the return type integer. And main is the entry point of a program. So in this program, I declared three variables called a, b, and c of integer data type. The a holds the value 10, b holds the value 20. And I'm going to use cout to print the statement. I want to display the value of a and b before swap. And then I'm going to perform swap. So by assigning the a value to c, and then by assigning b value to a, and then by assigning c value to b. And then I'm going to display a and b values after swap. In order to achieve the task, I'm going to open Eclipse editor. How to open the Eclipse editor? Where you can see the Eclipse editor icon on the desktop. Just double click the icon in order to open it. So when you double click the icon, it will take you to Eclipse IDE launcher where you can see the default workspace. If you wish to change the workspace, use the browse option. I'm going to use the default workspace and I'm going to hit launch in order to launch the Eclipse editor IDE, where IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So now it's an IDE where we are going to work with. So now I'm going to create a new C and C++ project. How to do so? Go to File, go to New, and then click on C and C++ project. And when you click on C and C++ project, it will take you to a window where you want to select C++ Manage Build. Once again, I repeat the steps. Go to File, New, and then you have to choose C and C++ project. In this, you have to select C++ Manage Build. Click Next. And then we want to provide a name, or I say example 1, and then I'm going to use Hello World C++ project. And ensure that you choose min gwgcc and hit finish. When you hit finish, it will create you the C++ code. Now I'm going to modify this code. So first I'm going to start with the data type integer followed by the variable a. It's going to hold the value 10. I'm going to declare one more variable called b. It's going to hold the value 20. And I need one more variable called c in order to swap these two values. Now I want to print the values. So I'm going to use cout to print the values. Let us say a and b values before swap. Okay, so I'm going to display the value a and I need a space. I'm going to use a space and B value followed by end of the line. I need a new line, so I'm going to use enter. Now I want to do swap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a variable C and I'm going to assign the value A to C. Now I'm going to assign the B value to A, that is A equal to B. Now what I have to do is B is equal to C, that is I'm going to store C value in B. Now we will print C out, so let's say A and B values after swap. So let me display the values A, and again I'm going to have a space and then followed by B. Just close the line by using statement terminator. So we completed the program again. The program starts with the data type int followed by the variable A. It holds the value 10. I declared one more variable called as B, which holds the value 20, and third variable C. I'm going to use this variable in order to swap A and B. So I'm going to display A and B value and before swap, and I'm going to start the swap by assigning the A value to C. Then I'm going to store B value to A, and then finally I'm going to store the C value to B. Now the values for swap. So now I want to print the values after swap. So now once you finish the program, you have to save it. Okay, go to File, Save. Next step, you want to build the project. Go to Project and then Build Project to ensure that your project is out of errors. So here you can see, here you can see the build finish, zero errors and zero warnings. And next step, we want to run the project. So there's go to Run and Run. So once you run, you can see A and B values before swap is 10, 20. This is A holds the value 10 and B holds the value 20. And after swap, now A holds the value 20 and B holds the value 10. Okay, so this is how you want to do a swap. So after completing the program, again, you want to save, go to File, Save, and then go to Project and build the project to ensure that your project is bug free. And then go to Run and run your project. Okay, this is how you want to run the project and this is the output. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video.